Hi, this is Caroline, and it's February 2024. I'll be making another little exercise book with papers, just so I can keep my notes of my garden. I'll start in February because it's for indoor planting the seeds, and I do have some seeds bought, and I will be planting them and putting them in the south window, keeping them inside, and letting them grow until May, March, April. I don't know what month, depending on the weather. And so, yeah, that's my plan. I'm going to make a little journal. Here's a little journal that I've made, basically maybe for a guest book. It's a special little journal, has gold page. I had taken a little book, took the pages out, and put in these little papers. So, it's for writing down. It's a little journal, but it's so special. It has gold. I put gold everywhere, gold on every little tag and every little sides of the papers. And it's special for maybe 1 year just to see how your garden is growing. It's not for an everyday kind of a journal like my exercise books. I wrote down what I'm doing and making sure I get things done and checking it off and stuff like that. It's more, these little journals are more or less, like guest books, or yeah, just for 1 year that's special to you. But anyway, here they sit. I'm not going to be using them for my everyday use of my journal notes. But I'm just showing you now that I do make gardening journals. If you didn't see them before, here they are. Hiya. So I hope you enjoyed seeing my garden journals, and you can tell that they're, special for special occasions. It's just and well, the two books shows you lots about gardening and how to plant and take care of your plants. But the little ones are just for special occasions and guest books and being in the garden, writing down your thoughts and poems and prayers and hopes and promises. Um, okay, so now I'm gathering up like a thin paper so I can use for my note journal book, my daily one. I thought I won't use the exercise this year. I got lots of nice papers, and but I might make sure that the patterns aren't too bold. I can actually write on and still read it later. So I'm going through making sure that the papers are thin and not thick paper. And when you write on, like say, let's see again. But so this is what I'm doing right here now. Hopefully I will show you another little video when it's all put together. I'm just going to staple the pages together once I get the middle pile and fold it and stapled. And then I'll write in the date and the weather, plans, things to do, and a check mark so you can check it off what you did and the date that you did it. So whatever was written on the exercise, like, divided up space, that's what I'm going to do for these papers. And so that will be another little video. I just wanted to show you that this is what I'm doing in the month of February. And I will be planting some seeds, and I'll show you how they grow and how I write it down in my book. So I thank you very much for watching. I hope you're having a lovely winter month still. The groundhog was today, and it showed no shadow. So when he doesn't see the shadow, that means there'll be an early spring. So I'm hoping that we'll get in the garden earlier, and we'll start into the new season. Okay, so anyway, wish me luck on all that, and I wish you luck in your activities as well. Bye for now. Thanks for watching. See ya.